Greetings of the day from Almighty Consulting Solutions. Today we are going to have one case study on Helpdesk and Subscription implementation in Odoo. Our customer, Almighty CS, is a medium-sized software development company that provides various software solutions to their clients. They are facing some challenges in managing their customer support requests and subscription-based services efficiently. To streamline their processes, they have decided to implement one solution. Objective of implementation is to improve customer support by implementing centralized help desk system, streamline subscription management, and automate the billing process. The challenges which they are facing right now is lack of centralized help desk system resulted in inefficient handling of customer support requests. Manual subscription management lead to the errors in billing and renewal processes, and communication between teams caused delay in resolving customer issues. The solution which we are offering is to implement Odoo with subscription and help desk module. So to manage their different services with billing cycle and related stuff, let's say that we can install Odoo subscription module over here, that subscription module, and help desk timesheet, so they can manage easily their timesheet based billing. Also, they are offering two different services with the cybersecurity solution for the support. One is unlimited support, which is covered in the subscription, and another is hourly based billing. So whenever customer is taking any support from them, they will be billing customer based on the time spent on the ticket. So let's say that we have installed needed module, and we have configured the related configurations in the system. For the subscription, they can manage different plans in the system. Over here we have this plan where we configured one monthly subscription with cybersecurity support, and another is support hours, which are unlimited support. Over here you can configure the different pricing and related stuff on the product. You can say that it is already configured to have a recurring, and invoicing policy is prepaid or fixed, we can say. Okay, so it is unlimited support. Customer can take any number of support tickets and support from the support center without paying anything specially for their support tickets. And another plan which we have, which is monthly but timesheet based support, so they will not have unlimited support. For in that case, that first product is same and price is also same, whichever we have configured in time based pricing over here. And over here we have another service which is support based on the timesheet. Over here in that support service, our charges are $50 per hour, we can say. Over here you can see that 50 is there. Okay, and for having further information on this configuration and related stuff, we have given a link of the video in the description, so you can have a look on that also. Then you can configure the different subscription stages, alerts, and close reasons based on your need. Let's say that you can have a different periods also for the recurrency which are there. Now once you have configured everything, let's say that we are selling a subscription to our customer. Let's say that we have one customer, Shiva Infotech, and they are willing to have a subscription for monthly subscription, and subscription plan is unlimited support. So once we select this subscription plan based on configured lines on the subscription plan, it will add all the lines over here in the sell order. Over here the total billing is 2528.90, we can say. Okay, and let's say that we confirm this sell order. Okay, now when support ticket they will be creating in the help desk. Let's create one invoice for the same, and over here you can say that invoice amount is same whichever we have in the subscription, that is a recurring subscription. Now let's go to the another part of our implementation, which is Helpdesk. In the Helpdesk, let's say that we have configured all our teams, stages, SLA policies and related stuff in the system. We are not going in deep. We are adding another video links in our description, so you can go to that videos and have a look at how you can configure your Helpdesk. Let's say that we have configured everything in our system, specifically that make sure that you have configured over here that time billing is activated. Okay, so that is done, and let's say that we create one ticket for Shiva Infotech. Now we can select a customer over here, Shiva Infotech, and over here when you select that customer, you will able to select a related sell order item also. So we are selecting unlimited support over here. Now when we have selected unlimited support, and let's say that we are working on this ticket and related activities are getting done, after completing support and related stuff, our support member is entering the timesheet entry over here. Let's say that they come a fixed issue and time spent on that support was 20 hours. We are just entering hypothetical number over here. Now that is done, and we completed this ticket. After completing this ticket, let's go back to the subscription. Okay, before going for that, let's create another ticket for the same customer, and that is support 2, and same customer Shiva Infotech, and support hours. This time they spent some support hours of, let's say that 10 hours. So total 30 hours support was spent into different tickets. There can be n number of tickets, there is no limitation, but just we took only 2 tickets over here. Now when we will be going for the subscription and creating, system will be creating automatically next invoice on this date. It will be considering those Helpdesk tickets. Over here also you can see that these are the 2 tickets which we have given support for this subscription. Now as that will be done automatically, but to see right now we can create invoice, and when we created invoice, you can see that in the new invoice also that amount is same, which is 2528.90. There is no impact of total supports hours spent on different tickets. Okay, so this was the fixed cost support hours with unlimited tickets and the hours. Now let's say that we have another use case of the subscription, where we have another subscription from Keshav Infotech, and they are willing to have a subscription but timesheet based. They think that okay, they will not need that much support hours, so they want to have a specific time based support. Whatever support they are taking, they will be paying per hour $50. Okay, let's say we have this $50 per hour support pricing. Now we confirm this subscription, and total amount is 1578.90 in this case. Now we go back to the Helpdesk ticket, and let's say that our Helpdesk team is getting some tickets from them. And in first ticket, let's say that Keshav Infotech, and sell order item is this, and we are providing a support of again the same amount of support, 20 hours. And we complete work on it. Let's say it is done. We have another ticket for the same customer. Let's say that's support 2, Keshav Infotech. Sell order item is support hourly based over here, and We can create timesheet entry using this option also, start stop. We will able to update this timestamp spent manually. Let's say that time spent was 10 hours and we completed this ticket. Okay, so total time spent again for this customer is same, 30 hours. Now let's go back to the subscription and see the invoice over here. You can see that two tickets are linked over here and both are solved and 30 hours are recorded over here. As you can see, if we check another ticket also there was 30 hours, but when we created second invoice that was the same as the subscription cost. Now in this case, when we created new invoice over here, you can see that 30 support hours are charged to the customer. So instead of the main subscription cost, which is 1578, they will be paying 3028.90 because they took support of 30 hours and total cost of that 30 hours was 1500. So in this way we can have a different kind of subscriptions and configurations, and based on that we can invoice our customer. Hope this use case was helpful to you. If you have any question or query for us, you can contact us using our any official channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.